Trying to sync that video. All right, so changed it up. See how that goes. There's a couple other mounts that I still haven't gotten around to purchasing, but we'll see what we can do for now. So this is going to be angle number 2, because my original angle number 2 was an absolute failure. We'll see how that goes. Maybe we'll just extend it out a little bit more too. Who knows? Okay. Now it's only 53 degrees today, and when I took off I was wearing the flannel and it just wasn't warm enough, so I went back, put this thing on. Now I'm messing around with the camera and everything like that, being off the bike. I'm starting to get hot. Not hot, but warm. I do have a sweatshirt underneath there, underneath this thing, so I'll always stop and shed a layer. Alright. There's probably going to be a lot of this talking stuff that I just, I don't know, either take out or, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, okay. It's still attached. That's a good sign. It's kind of pointing down at the wheel. I have no idea what it's going to look like. I always attach it to this RAM mount that I have here too. And I probably will. Holy moly, I thought that bag was a bear. Well, maybe I can pan around with the 360 camera and actually show what I was talking about. We shall see. No idea where this road takes me, at least I don't remember. And I don't bring the GPS today. Man, I am just a rambling fool. Probably just so happy I can come out here and do a little ride. Now, from what I understand, with these 360 cameras, just like most of your GoPros, they only record in clips of a certain amount of time. And I think it's a shorter amount of time depending on the resolution you have it set at. So I am now I'm shooting in 4K 30 on my two standard GoPros, and the 360 is 5.6K at 30. But once that gets run through the GoPro player exporter thingy, it gets bumped down to 4K 30. Let's see. I wonder if I can. I don't remember what time the post office closes. Maybe I can check my P.O. box, because I'm pretty close. It's right down here, right down the street. And then I can change my angle. So I'm at about 5 minutes on this angle. I haven't really done anything, interesting. A couple of turns here and there. take a look. Maybe we can get, see if there's anything in the post office box. Alright, I got one, besides the junk mail that I got from Wind Road Therapy. Alright, cool. Yeah, we'll open up that later. We'll open that later. Okay. We are now on to position number 3. I simply replaced the Hero 4 with the Max. Trying to make everything in line. Let's see what kind of stitch line we get out of it. It'd probably be a little cooler if I could get a little bit higher. I think to make another ball attachment that I can get for that ram mount. And that way I can stick it up a little bit higher. And another motorcycle out here today. Okay, oh, he's driving an 18-wheeler. He's got to pull far to the left to make that turn. Holy moly. I'm thinking that first, breezy out here, that first mounting position probably would have looked pretty cool for this road. We'll see how this one goes. I can always come back this road again, make another pass with the camera in a different position, because I've got that kind of time. This is always a fun little stretch of road that as long as you don't run into people. Which it appears I'm coming up on people. Just slow down and wait 30 seconds to go rip through these curves. And as usual, out here in the farmlands of New Jersey, the other potential issue with these curves is sand, debris, and everything from farmers and tractors and all that nonsense. Well, I didn't bring the GPS today because, you know what, I'm concentrating on 360. I bet this is going to be fun to edit. Still not sure if I'm going to do 3-parters, test 1, test 2, test 3, test days. I guess we'll just see. Of course, if I did, you know, do it in a 3-parter, this would come out in as part 3, so it really wouldn't make much sense to ask y'all how I should do it. Any some kind of bug. Get to the end of this road, we're probably going to be at a pretty good time limit before we go split into another clip, and we'll stop it. And then I think I'm going to give the old hero mode a try, because why not? You know what? Let's try the different aspects of this camera and you know, see how it really works. So far it's pretty cool. Alright, this would be a decent spot to stop and smell the roses. Kidding. Alright guys, so we're gonna switch over to hero mode now.